welcome to my channel, DolanChick. First of all, I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching all the videos on DolanChick and supporting me. Rahmat! And Rahmat means thank you in Uyghur. Today, I'm going to make eggplant salad recipe. I already showed this recipe on my polo video, but today we are going to make it again because you can combine this recipe with a lot of Uyghur food such as polo, katlı naan, göç naan, normal naan, a lot of food. So let's begin. For this recipe, I'm going to use scallion, mild green pepper, onion, fresh red tomato. One fact about tomato: China exports 700,000 tons tomatoes and 70% of that comes from Xinjiang. That's where I come from. And I highly recommend to use a fresh red tomato for this recipe. And garlic, cucumber, eggplant, fresh basil, and sugar, rice, black vinegar, salt, white pepper, and black pepper. I cut away the heads of the eggplant. Put them in the oven at 250 degrees for 25 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'm going to chop up the garlic and bake the garlic with the oil to prevent it from being stinky, and also for adding an extra texture and flavor to the salad. Wash the rest of the ingredients very carefully and dry them with a towel. Now, I'm going to cut the cucumber very thin. Chop up the onion, scallion, and mild green pepper in small pieces. And chop up the tomatoes very fine. When the eggplants are ready, I cut them in half. I use 2 spoons. One is for holding on the eggplant on the one side, and another one is for spooning out the inside of the eggplant. I chop up the eggplant. Put all the ingredients and the rest of the herbs in the pan and mix them very gently with your hands. You should mix all the ingredients very carefully and evenly. The green, healthy eggplant salad is ready. It's fresh, colorful, and full of nutrition. Eggplant salad is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this recipe, consider subscribing, And if you like it, follow me on Instagram, share this video with your friends, family. Thank you again, and see you next week. Bye!